What is going on, everyone? My name is Jordan Anderson. I'm excited you're here. Today we're going to do a quick, high-level, powerful SamCart demo to show you all of its awesome features. In this video, we are going to show you the full power of SamCart and CheckoutOS and show you the true power of the fastest checkout on the internet. At SamCart, we're not just a credit card form. We are an entire checkout operating system made for your business. We're going to move pretty quickly, so if you want the full details, how all this works, I'm going to put all the links down below, and you can also go to our help center, help.samcart.com, to read about everything in detail. So first, let's go to my favorite tool that just came out, Checkout Anywhere. Now, before Checkout Anywhere, let me kind of paint the picture for you. Just imagine this, ancient history. Before the time that Checkout Anywhere came out, you would have to drag your customers away from the action. You want them to buy something, they're on your newsletter, if they're on your blog, if they're watching your videos, you would have to redirect them to a checkout page, make them buy, and hopefully they don't click away or something doesn't load properly. But now, with the new Checkout Anywhere, you can put SamCart's world-class e-commerce anywhere you need it. And we kind of broken this out into two simple features. With Checkout Anywhere, we have Checkout Embed, and we have the Express Link. Now, both of these are built for speed and implementation. There's no design work involved. You're pretty much just creating your product, putting a price next to it, hitting save, and then sharing that link out to your customers. Let's first talk about Embed. So Embed is pretty straightforward. You copy this one little line of code here and you paste it anywhere. You put it in your link in bio, you put it on your homepage, and now you have the most powerful e-commerce right in your site. So if you're using Webflow or Wix or Squarespace or WordPress, even Notion or link in bio, you can add your checkout form right onto those pages. Now with Express Link, it's even simpler than that. It's just a URL that you share to your customers and it takes them directly to the checkout form. And the load time is super fast. You can brand these checkout forms, you can change the fonts, you can change the colors, all over on the design page. I'm hearing the design people right now. I'm a designer myself. I want more brand capabilities. I want to create a full branded experience, Jordan. We got you. If you want to build a full landing page, you can simply click over to the design tab. We've got an entire library of done for you templates ready to go. Now let's move on to chapter 2. Chapter 2, payments. So now that you're getting twice as many visitors to your checkout, SamCart is ready to supercharge your conversion rates. You can connect all of your favorite payment processors. I don't know if you have a favorite payment processor, but maybe you do. The real reason behind this, of having all of these payment processors, is we're giving our customers they can choose. They have the option. They can choose how they want to pay. But before we get into this payment processing stuff, know this, and this is kind of, this might be a little revolutionary. SamCart takes 0% of your sales. You make $100, you make $1,000, you make $10,000, you make $100,000. We take 0% of those sales. Okay, so let's move on to the first primary big heavy punchers of the payment processing world: Stripe, PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Of course, you can connect SamCart to Stripe, but there are some picky customers that gotta have PayPal on their site. It's tricky because a lot of other platforms offer PayPal, but they don't offer the full features of PayPal. So if you're doing things like subscriptions, PayPal isn't available for those people. We give you PayPal's full capabilities, so you have PayPal and Stripe both on your site. We also let your customers do a one-click checkout using Apple Pay and Google Pay. One-click checkout is amazing. I love it so much. And it allows your customers to buy without needing to type in even their name. So just imagine your customers coming, they click the Apple Pay button, Apple Pay appears, they scan their face, and boom, you've got a sale just like that. With these payment processors, we want to get out of the way and let our customers buy as quickly as possible. And again, that's why our goal is to continue to be the fastest checkout on the internet. Now let's move on to stored credit cards. I love this technology. This is by our friends at Stripe. We've partnered with them to bring you stored credit cards. And how it works is, I'll kind of show you a demo here. When I'm on a SamCart checkout page like this, first I'm going to type in my email address. And when SamCart recognizes that customer's email address, Stripe will go into its credit card database and automatically pull that credit card information on file. This is what it looks like. Your customers verify that card with a secret 6-digit code that's either texted to them or emailed to them. And your customers hit the buy now button, and that's it. They don't have to type in their billing address and shipping address and zip code and name and phone number. All of that information is brought over, and you now have a new customer. Finally, you have the buy now, pay later options to sell more of your biggest offers. This is a pretty new feature that we just released. Your customers can choose to break up their payments with Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm. You're all familiar with these. And the best part is you get paid in full up front, and then your customers on their end can choose a payment plan that works for them. This option is especially great if you're selling high ticket offers, you're selling something in the multi-thousands of dollars, $10,000 products, but you don't want to take the risk of offering a monthly payment plan because then you'll have to chase down your clients, or if a credit card fails, what are you going to do? We looked at the SamCart database, we did a split test. Normal credit card users, buy now, pay later users. Which one of these pays more? Which one spends more? What we found out is that buy now, pay later users spend 46% more than just normal credit card users. That is huge. I'll end the chapter with this. All of these payment features that make you more money are exclusively available here on SamCart. Let's move on to chapter 3, expansion revenue. Let's make sure we're following the story here. You've got more customers visiting your site, and now you're converting up more of those. Now the next step is we need to get those people to spend more with you. And this is where the magic comes in of expansion revenue. On average, SamCart customers are doubling what each customer spends by tapping into the power of expansion revenue. So for example, if you're making $10,000 a month, you could be adding an additional $10,000 a month every single month that you're using SamCart, all by using expansion revenue. If you really want to nerd out with me, it's 126% growth to average order value. Not bad. Okay, order bumps. Let's get into order bumps. This is quite possibly my favorite feature of SamCart because it has the ability to make you so much more money as a digital seller. This is a checkout form right here. These things right here, this is an order bump. And how an order bump works is you're basically sending your customers on a shopping spree without any unnecessary clicks or navigating to other pages, which is typical of the old school add to cart store. As your customers are checking out and they're adding in their info, they simply click one button and instantly they can add your second, third, fourth product to their order. And unlike other platforms that do offer, some of these other platforms, they offer order bumps, but they only limit it to 1 or 2 additional order bumps. On SamCart, you can add, I've seen people add up to 15 order bumps. Now, I don't recommend that, but you're not just limited to the 2 order bumps. You can customize your offer however you like. Next, we're gonna move on to upsells. This is for, I say, if you're selling a little bit more of a detailed offer that needs a little bit more explanation than just the 2 sentences that an order bump provides. So here's how it works. I'm on my checkout page right here, and after a customer has locked in their payment, they click the complete order or they click the buy now button. It then takes them to a second page, and this is called the upsell page. And they can learn about the upsell offer, they can read all about it, and at the very bottom, there's 2 buttons. Very simple, yes or no. Yes, I want this. No thanks, I don't want this. And that's it. If a customer clicks yes, I want this, there's no more retyping their information. They don't have to add a new credit card because all of that has been brought over from the checkout process. It's a seamless transaction. Let's say you don't have an upsells page right now and your customers are walking in the door and they're paying you $100. If you add just one simple upsells page, your customers will walk out the door paying $168. I'll show this little chart. This is our expansion revenue graph here. I love this because this is what your business could look like. You have, hey, I'm just selling one product to one customer, and this is what happens when you sell 2 products or 3 products or 4 products, all through expansion revenue. Okay, let's get this chart out of the way. Oh, last thing I wanted to mention with the upsells is that you can add upsell and downsell sequences. So you can add multiple upsells pages, multiple downsells pages. So when a customer says, yes, I want this, it'll take them to an upsells page. If they say, no, I don't want this, you can put a different offer in the downsells page and say, maybe it's a little cheaper, maybe it's something totally different, but you can decide and customize the customer journey all on the upsells page. Right here, it's very simple. So let's wrap up the expansion revenue chapter with this last feature that I really love is add to order. And this is perfect for your sales team. So if you have a sales team or if you are working with clients and you're upgrading or downgrading or upselling them a lot of times over the phone or over email, pay attention to this part. When your customers buy any products of yours, their credit card is stored on file under your account. And let's say you've got a brand new offer or you want to upgrade one of your clients, you can go into that customer's account. And when you're chatting on the phone with them, when you're emailing them, when you're texting them, and you can quickly add one of your products to their account and charge their credit card on the spot. It's that easy. So you can close more clients, you can upgrade more clients. A lot of times we just say, hey, send me a quick yes, send me a quick YES in the email or in this text message, and I will add this to your order. Now let's move on to chapter 4. dashboards and reporting. Now, as an online seller, you want your data fast. Let's take a look here. Let's go over to our Pulse View dashboard. We can quickly get a top level view of your entire business. Of course, you can see your sales, you can see your net profit, you can see your one-time sales versus your recurring sales. Plus at the top here, you can see your average order value. And this is, you're going to track to see if this is going up, hopefully. And then let's scroll down to the bottom here. We've got lifetime value, or LTV, to see how valuable your customers are over time. Next to that, we have expansion revenue, which is what we just talked about. What I like about this is, yes, we could have put expansion revenue all lumped together, but I like how they break this apart, where you can see upsells, how much money am I making from my upsells pages and how much money am I making from my order bumps, and which is doing better, which needs to be improved. What I like about this Pulse View dashboard is you don't have to dig around for the metrics. You don't have to sort by date ranges, find this particular product. You can just get a, hey, I've got 30 seconds. I need to quickly see how the business is doing. Show me everything I need to know. Perfect. Thanks. Have a great day. And now let's move on to the last chapter, integrations. And this is why we call it CheckoutOS, because it's an operating system. It says here in my notes, do hand gesture, operating system. It works together with your business. You're an online seller, I'm an online seller, and I know how complicated our businesses can get. You've got a separate tool for everything. You've got an email app, you've got a social media management app, you've got something for your landing pages, you've got something to deliver your courses, for talking with your community. SamCart connects all of them together. Your time is crucial. That's why the geniuses here at SamCart built the integration engine. And what it does is you create simple rules that automate your business. When a new order comes in or a prospect appears on your account, your integrations go to work for you. When someone abandons their cart, boom, they're gonna get an automatic follow-up. You can auto-enroll your students into their courses, drop your customers right into their email campaigns, automatically ship out your products, and Slack your team when a new order comes through. The integration engine automates the critical core task of your business. Okay, so this is the end of the video. We're at about 10 minutes in. So if you're still watching at this point, then SamCart is clearly something you're looking into. Every strategy, every feature that we've covered that is designed to boost your revenue is available today, and you're only one click away. Head over to samcart.com and start your free trial today. And if you're a business making $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 per month or more, then you might be thinking, switching sounds like a huge pain. Well, the good news is all of this is handled by our migrations team. Let us handle the stress. For you, there's no setup, there's no build time, there's no connecting every little integration. All of it is handled by our team, who work with 6- and 7-figure businesses every single day. As of recording this video, our implementation team only accepts a limited number of slots each month. So if you want to work with us, it's time to act now. We only work with businesses who are serious about growing their potential. And if that's you, scroll down below this video, pick a time to talk with our team. My name is Jordan Anderson, and I'll see you guys on the inside.